Hey guys, we're gonna make eggnog. That light's real bright.
Eggnog! Should I turn it down? Rolling, rolling,
Putting the liner back.
rolling down the river, rolling down the river. Hey guys, so today we're making eggnog. Let's get going. My Virgin Kitchen's recipe of the eggnog. His name is Barry Lewis.
Barry Lewis.
If you want to go follow this recipe and try it out yourself, I will have everything linked below.
The best thing about his videos is that he's British.
Yes.
And I wish I was British.
I do too. Alright, so all you need to make this eggnog is some milk, some heavy cream, some nutmeg, some eggs, and hold on, sugar.
And an empty bottle.
You didn't do anything for sugar. He adds in some bourbon to his eggnog. We're not going to do that, but we're going to add in some vanilla to make it taste good. I saw some other recipes on Pinterest that used vanilla. So we're gonna try it. Alright, so he is cracking wow, getting a little excited there, Daniel. Alright, so he is cracking 4 eggs, and then he is I need that other filter. And then he is separating the eggs from the yolk. The yolk from the eggs. He's separating the yolk from the eggs. That's why we have said Coke bottle. I'm gonna see if this works. Okay, go for it. Yeah! Now drop it in there.
No, it's right there. No, it's right there. Ho-ho!
That looks so gross. 2. Woo!
That's fun.
Can you see? There we go. Oh, don't break it.
I'll try. And then, boop. Now those are broken. But we didn't need them.
One more.
Oh, I thought we only did 3.
4. Woo. Good job, Daniel. So, we need
this?
Mix this together.
Please don't get it on me. I don't like it when it's stuff like that. Cool recipe right up. Right here. I don't want that.
You have such a good British accent.
I do. I do. You say you want me to be British? That was actually terrible.
70 grams is half a cup.
Half a cup of sugar is what we need here. I smell something. Did you already eat that soup?
I did.
I still smell it.
That's because it's right there. Alright, so half a cup.
You whisk it in. It was 250 ml, 2 cups.
1 cup.
1.06 cups. And I rounded up because math.
Okay, 1 cup of heavy cream.
1.06.
Buy
500 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk.
What is 500 milliliters in cups?
I'm assuming it's 2 since 250 is 1.
I think I'm gonna need a You're assuming it's what?
2
2 cups?
Yeah, because 250 is half of 500.
Okay, is this 2 cups?
Why don't I just use 2 of that? I already got it dirty.
Okay.
Is it semi-skimmed?
No, it's whole milk.
We don't care about health.
How much nutmeg do we need?
1/2 nutmeg nut. That's what it says.
What does that even mean?
1/2 nutmeg nut.
I'm gonna put a teaspoon. So instead of the alcohol, we're putting in vanilla.
Makes sense. Right?
I saw it on Pinterest. Pinterest makes it right.
Like as a substitute for alcohol?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm alright without the alcohol. I just didn't think that vanilla was an adequate substitute for it.
How much nutmeg you want?
I don't know. I don't really ever have nutmeg.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I hope this is right. Here's this. It looks nice and white and speckly, just like he said. It smells good because of the vanilla. That's for sure.
I'm almost 100% sure that she is not gonna like it.
I don't think I'm gonna like
But
it.
it was my idea, so you don't think you're gonna like it? No! Got it.
Let's whisk the egg whites together. First time we've ever made that. Let's see what he does next.
Is it okay to eat now?
And of course, the old age test to see if it's worked.
Does it go upside down?
There we go.
It's like a Dairy Queen blizzard.
Yeah.
Put it on top of your head like him.
Oh, he actually turned it upside down.
It's now of bourbon.
Bourbon.
I'm gonna do it. 1.
Oh, he put it in there. Should I put it in?
Wrong place.
Tablespoons of bourbon.
It's okay.
Let's put some more in there.
Whiskey whisk. Wow. There's some.
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
Sounds-
I'm just gonna eye it. That looks weird. Does it go upside down?
It looked like it.
Yay! Ah! So we mix this.
I think I still think it needs a little bit more nutmeg.
Well, we can. Okay. Put a little bit more nutmeg in it, Daniel. All right. And now nutmeg. Our egg whites.
That's so weird. How does that happen? You had like this much egg whites, and now you've got like.
It's magic. All right.
So we do it again.
We're making egg nog, baby.
She's gonna get it everywhere. I know it. Did he say the fridge or the freezer?
He said fridge, and then he also said freezer.
So which one?
We're gonna put it in the fridge because it's still kind of cold. Is our
Oh, apparently the naughty one.
naughty and nice? Yes, yes. I'm scared. You go for it first.
I like it. I like it.
It's on your nose. I'm just nervous.
She's nervous, everybody. It's nervous.
I can't.
Have
do
you
it.
even tasted it yet?
No. Okay.
Were you worried that it wasn't in there?
Yeah.
I told you weren't gonna like it.
Oh no, I don't like it.
It literally just tastes like flavored milk.
Oh.
Like milk that has some, it's like other ingredients in it. That's what it tastes like.
And it tastes like eggs and sugar and vanilla and nutmeg.
That's what it is. I don't taste the eggs. Or just taste the eggs.
I think it's just in my brain.
I think it's in your brain too. I don't think it's cold enough.
Maybe we'll make eggnog ice cream.
I think that's better.
We're gonna try eggnog ice cream when it freezes. Okay, so that was eggnog. It was, I mean,
It tastes good.
It tasted fine. I just can't get over the fact that it's eggs. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed us making eggnog today. Again, go follow My Virgin Kitchen. We'll have his link down below. He is an awesome, awesome YouTuber. Why are you looking at me?
I just was watching.
He's an awesome YouTuber. And
Awesome.
you'll love his channel. But thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed us cooking eggnog.
We didn't cook anything, but fixing it and mixing ingredients.
Mixing eggnog together. I didn't say my last thing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we will see you tomorrow.